Lots of analysts have said that economic reforms in our country have always happened at moments of crisis. In 1991, there was a huge crisis. That's when reforms began. The second thrust also happened in the throes of a crisis. They're saying that this budget, the build-up to the budget, the allegations of the government not delivering, the fact that FDI wasn't coming into India at the spirit which it was last year, the fact that Indian capital was going abroad, gave the Indian government an opportunity to push through reforms because of all these problems. That you create the momentum to push through reforms, and they are unhappy with the fact that Pranab Mukherjee has allowed this opportunity to pass.
In fact, what I have done, as I mentioned earlier about my philosophy of the reforms, you look at the income tax compliance, direct taxes compliance, whose contribution has increased substantially in the overall basket of the GDP. It has not been done by any dramatic headline announcements, but making a major change, taking advantage of the technology, creating the appropriate technological platform, compliances, collection, remedy of the grievances. All these things happen through the technological innovation. To me, this is a very big reform instead of making any dramatic announcements. Similarly, you are absolutely correct when you say that there is deficiency in the delivery. One of the major objectives of my reform agenda to improve the delivery mechanism. Take the case of prices. How we are to handle the question of the prices. If you analyze the food prices, I myself have stated, though it has come down from 20.2% in February 2010 to 9.3% in January 2011, but still it is not acceptable to me because it is high. I shall have to bring it down further, but not merely by announcements, taking solid actions. Therefore, I have decided that agriculture response to the supply mechanism, supply deficiency is to be improved.
Okay.
Series of measures I have announced. All the measures, whether it is in respect of the palm oil, in pulses, in fodder, in green revolution to the eastern India, 8, 9 major initiatives which I have taken in the agriculture sector, enhancing the agricultural credit, all these are directed towards that.